welcome to my channel today. In case you're new here, my name is Latrice and my content covers home decor and DIY projects. If this is something you're interested in, please like, comment, and subscribe today. I would so appreciate it. So in today's video, I'm going to share some tips on ways you can simplify and maximize storage for your cleaning products on a budget without breaking the bank. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. Before we get started, if you're an Amazon Prime member, go to their grocery side. If you're interested in purchasing groceries, go to the area called Fresh, order at least $100 worth of groceries, and put in the code FRESH50. They will automatically deduct $50 off of your entire order. You can only use this for one order per account. This offer ends November 30th. Take advantage. Okay, so I went to the Dollar Tree and I purchased these spray bottles from there. I think I purchased a total of 4. And I'm going to fill them up with my favorite household cleaners. And this one is my OxyClean. I love using that in my bathroom. After I have filled up all 4 of my bottles, I'm going to go on ahead and label them. Here I have my label maker, and guys, it took me a while. I had to relearn how to use it all over again. It's been such a long time. So after I printed these out, I went on ahead and labeled all of the bottles so I can identify which cleaner is which. Okay guys, now I've made it to the laundry room, and as you can see, I purchased this over-the-door hook unit from the Dollar Tree for just $1.25. Pretty reasonable, huh? I'm going to go on ahead and add it to the top of the laundry door, and I'm going to add my household cleaners to the hooks, so 4 of them. And guys, I was so impressed. Even when I open and close the laundry door, these bottles stay put. Another option would be this small shower caddy that I also purchased at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. It's small enough, but yet it's still able to hold all of my household cleaners, plus a few more items. And voila, there we have it. A second option for those days when you just want to pick up your cleaning items and go to work just like I do. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, be blessed.